Okay, we are going to test the strength of the Vollrath Super Pan V. We have a generic steam pan.
C, no V, V.
Let's see if you can bend the corner. Are you up for the challenge?
Oh, that was easy.
Oh, that was really easy.
Man.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that was so easy for you.
So easy.
These are terrible. Don't buy these.
See if you can do the Vollrath ones.
What happens if I bend the
You're not
strong
going
one?
to.
It's a big bit beefier.
These are 300% stronger.
Am I 300% stronger? Okay, so far so good.
No.
Couldn't do it.
Not even a dent. Wow.
Why am I stretching my leg? Let's do this. I'm not a quitter.
The table's gonna break.
Couldn't do it. I don't even need to go to the gym anymore. Oh, wow. Buy these.